Welcome to Money Minded, the podcast that simplifies finance for you, whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial game. We've got practical tips and insights to help you make smarter money moves. I'm Finley, and I'll be guiding you on this journey to financial freedom. Let's dive right in. This is episode 4, Spend Smarter, Live Better. We're diving into a topic that hits close to home well, how you spend your money. Spending isn't just handing over cash, it's about choices that shape your life. Every dollar you spend carries a bit of you, your priorities, habits, even your mood. But here's the thing, you can spend smarter without feeling deprived. Let's break it down with some simple steps to make your money work for you. Know your habits. Next track. First, figure out where your money's going. Most of us swipe our cards and move on until the bank statement shows $200 on takeout. Try this track every purchase for a week. Use a notebook or app note every coffee bill or impulse buy. It's eye-opening to see what's really adding up. Spend with purpose. Next, prioritize. Now ask yourself, does this purchase match what I value? If you love travel but spend $100 a week on clothes you don't need, that's $5,000 a year you could have used for a trip. Pause before buying non-essentials. Wait 24 hours. Often you'll realize you don't need it that much. Avoid the traps. Next, watch out for sneaky spending traps. Impulse buys. Unsubscribe from sales emails. Turn off app notifications. Lifestyle creep. Don't upgrade everything just because you got a raise. Save some of that extra cash. Peer pressure. Stick to your plan even if friends are splurging. It's your money, your rules. Spend to grow. Next, invest. Spending isn't just for today, it's for your future too. Invest in things that grow your value, like a course to boost your skills. Jamie spent $150 on a design course and landed gigs that earned her double that. Or spend on experiences. A family trip can mean more than a new gadget. Your turn next. Start small. Ready to spend smarter. Track your spending for 1 week. Spot one leak, like an unused app subscription. Then set one priority, maybe saving for a goal. Pause before impulse buys. Ask if it fits your values. It's not about cutting everything. It's about making choices that let you live better. Spending smarter means taking control so your money builds the life you want, not just the life you have. Thanks for tuning in to Money Minded. I hope you learned something new today that'll help you take control of your finances. Be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-understand financial tips. I'm Finley, and I'll see you in the next episode.